Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an honest review comparing OpenArt AI and Higgsfield, two AI art tools that have become really popular. We'll talk about how they work, what they do well, where they fall short, and which one might be better depending on your needs. Let's start by describing what each tool is. OpenArt AI is an AI image generator that focuses on ease of use and creative exploration. It allows you to generate artwork from text prompts, remix existing pieces, and explore styles created by the community. Higgsfield, on the other hand, is also an AI art generator, but it leans more toward high-quality outputs, with control over fine-grained details and more technical customization options. At a glance, both tools promise impressive results, but they differ in focus and workflow. One of the biggest pros of OpenArt AI is its accessibility. The interface is simple and intuitive, which makes it ideal for beginners or casual users who just want to create visuals quickly. It doesn't require deep knowledge of AI prompt crafting, and the community examples help you understand what works. The browsing experience is also strong. You can explore other users' creations for inspiration and modify their prompts with a single click. For people who like to experiment creatively without a steep learning curve, OpenArt AI shines. OpenArt AI also has a robust community element. Users share styles, prompts, and artworks that you can use as starting points. This community aspect reduces the barrier to entry because you aren't starting from scratch. You can build off other people's ideas. It also means that if you get stuck, you have examples of what works and why, which speeds up learning. However, OpenArt AI is not without its downsides. The quality of results can vary quite a bit depending on the prompt and selected style. Because it prioritizes accessibility and creative exploration, sometimes the outputs lack coherence or fine detail. If you need consistent, professional-level artwork, especially for commercial use, you might find the results less reliable. Also, advanced control over things like lighting, anatomy, textures, or style blending is limited compared to more technical tools. On the other side, Higgsfield offers powerful output quality and technical depth. One of its biggest strengths is the level of control it gives you over the generation process. You can fine-tune prompts with specific parameters, adjust weights for elements, and tailor every aspect of the image with more precision. For users who have experience with prompt engineering and want to push for consistently high-quality results, Higgsfield can be a better fit. The clarity, detail, and realism in many Higgsfield outputs stand out, particularly for complex subjects or detailed compositions. Higgsfield also tends to produce more predictable and polished results compared to OpenArt AI. If you describe a scene with specific lighting, mood, and objects, Higgsfield more often interprets your prompt faithfully. That makes it appealing for artists, designers, or content creators who need dependable visuals for projects, branding, or presentation use. But Higgsfield has its own limitations. Because it is more technical, it comes with a steeper learning curve. Beginners may feel overwhelmed by the options and parameters before they learn how to get really strong results. The interface can feel more utilitarian and less playful compared to OpenArt AI's community-driven browsing and remix features. For casual use, Higgsfield might feel more complicated than necessary. Another con is that Higgsfield's advanced capabilities sometimes require more credits or a paid subscription to unlock the best output quality. While OpenArt AI also has premium features, its free tier generally offers more creative freedom up front. So if you're not ready to commit financially, OpenArt AI may let you experiment more without unlocking paid tiers. Let's talk performance and speed. OpenArt AI is often faster for simple prompts and creative exploration because it doesn't pause for deep optimization. Higgsfield, in contrast, may take a bit longer on higher quality renders, especially when you include detailed parameters. If speed is important, for example, quick sketches or rapid prototype ideas, OpenArt can feel snappier, But if quality trumps speed, Higgsfield's detailed outputs justify the extra rendering time. In terms of styles and variety, OpenArt AI has an edge because the user base creates and shares preset styles. You can tap into that variety readily. Higgsfield doesn't always have a massive shared library of community presets, but it gives you the tools to build your own nuanced styles through parameter control. So, which one should you choose? If you're a beginner or casual creator who wants ease of use, fast experimentation, and access to a community library, OpenArt AI is a great starting point. If you're more serious about image quality, consistency, and detailed output with precise control, Higgsfield is likely a better long-term tool, especially if you plan on creating visuals for professional purposes. So, both OpenArt AI and Higgsfield are excellent in their own right. OpenArt is about accessibility and creative exploration with community support, while Higgsfield focuses on technical depth, quality, and fine-tuned control. Your choice depends on what you value more, simplicity and creativity at speed, or higher fidelity and detailed control. Subscribe the channel for more videos.